I want President Aquino to mention in his SONA his plans for autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao. We know that he appointed Governor Mujib Hataman and as the OIC governor and the members of the regional.
John O. sa iyan eh.
I want as a constituent of the region, I want to know what are his future plans. Where do we go from here? After his appointment, what will happen after he announced
Like it, John. We go to the public.
annulment of the voters list. Ano gusto bang susunod? Ano pang plano niya sa region na ito? Kasi ARM has become a looking cow of the Philippine government for so long. So, ano ba? What are his plans?